go. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We are not afraid, we are not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We are not afraid, we are not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back. Stop. And let's listen. Please could you put here? Huh? Yes, you should put it down. Okay, second. This should be here. Next part. Yes, sorry. There. And you got that. It's a brown bear. Then. Pink cat. And it's a strong, smart.
I'm pretty.
Oh, you're pretty white dog. Okay. And white dog, what can you do? I can
swim.
Swim? Could you show us? Show us. Покажи. Swim. Oh, what's your name?
I'm dog.
Dog or duck? Duck. Okay. And duck. Could you tell us about yourself? Are you strong, pretty, or smart?
Pretty.
Say, I'm pretty.
I'm pretty.
Quack, 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 quack. Okay, and duck, what can you do? I can fly, I can swim, I can run, I can hop, I can jump. See if I can.
I can jump.
Whoa. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
I am dog.
Wow, and dog. Could you tell us about yourself? Are you strong, pretty, or smart?
I'm pretty.
You're pretty. Oh, I got it, dog. And dog, what can you do? I can swim, I can hop, I can jump, I can fly.
I can run.
Woo! You're running fast. Wow.
Good morning.
Oh, what's that? Good morning. Oh, what's your name?
I'm purple.
Wow, you're purple cat. And purple cat, could you tell us about yourself?
I'm kind of.
No, I'm strong.
I'm
smart. You're a smart cat. I see. And smart cat. What can you do?
I can fly.
Go show us. Ooh, look at this. Good morning. What's your name?
I'm Pink Cat.
Wow, Pink cat. Shh, guys, please. Pink cat, could you tell us about yourself? Are you strong, smart, or pretty?
I'm strong, smart, and pretty.
Wow! And Pink cat, what can you do? I can
fly and can jump.
Wow! Look at her. Wow. What is it?
It's
Pink cat.
oh, so cool.
What is she? Well, good morning. What's your name?
I'm a pink cat.
Wow, Pink cat. Nice to meet you. And Pink cat, could you tell us about yourself? Are you strong, smart, or pretty? I'm pretty. Wow, and Pink cat, what can you do? I can fly, swim, hop, jump. Fast or slow? Fast? Show us. Whoa! Hello, snakes. What is it? Okay, let's swim like polar bear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? Sava? Let's say, I'm boa constrictor with boa constrictor's voice. Okay. I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Sit nicely. Okay. Really? You're scared? Not afraid? afraid. No, it's not afraid. Okay. Elephant, elephant. Stop. Elephant, elephant, what do you hear? Okay. Who can tell me? So I can say, I'm an elephant with elephant's voice. I'm elephant. No, I'm elephant should be. I hear a little horse sounding in my ear. I'm an elephant with its voice. Okay, then. It's a fire station. Yes, it's a fire. No, it's easy. It's a fire station. Fire station. Yeah. Let's have you two. Let's go. And you should show. I'm afraid. It's a pink cat, right? I'm scared. It's a white dog. Wow. I'm afraid. It's a purple cat, right? Purple cat. Next one. I'm a brown bear and I'm a little bit afraid. No, you can say not afraid. Brown bear, not afraid. Not afraid? Okay. Then. It's a yes, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm scared. I'm afraid. Say not afraid. Not afraid. Then. It's a blue horse. Not afraid. Don't touch, Mira, don't touch. Get us up, don't touch. Wow. Good morning, all. Good morning. So, I know that you guys, you saved my animals, my blue horse, my brown bear, purple cat, pink cat. All of them are saved because of you. Thanks a lot. So, I want to know your names. What's your name? Good job, Sava. What's your name?
I'm Mira.
Good job, Mira. Good job. Now, what's your name? Yana. Good job. Thanks a lot. What's your name? Sasha. Good. No, right hand should be yes. Well, what's your name? Vera. Thanks a lot. Well, what's your name? Nema. Nice. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Well, what's your name? Taня. Thanks a lot. What's your name? Veronica. Good job. Thank you. And what's your name, guys? What's your name? Yaroslav, thanks a lot. And guys, I got medals for you. You'll get medals now. Yes. This medal can be stitched. В моем городе это медали. Мы назвали медалями такие наклейки. А в вашем городе что называют медалями?
Золотые штучки.
Какие?
Золотые штучки.
Какие?
Призы.
Призы? Так это что же призы?
Кубки.
Кубки? Интересно. Так, это не нужно. Вы не достойны таких старых медалей. Вот, должны быть такие. So, one by one. Sava, well done. Okay? No? Who? Well done. Yana, well done. Well done. No? Well done. Well done. Well done. Yes. Nama, thanks a lot. You got it. Well done right here on your chest. Okay, next one. Taня, good job.
Good job.
Taня, good job. Okay.
No.
Good job, Veronica.
Good job.
Yeah, good job goes to Veronica.